Let's look at how to create a simple KPI. First, search for Create KPI from the app launcher. Enter the KPI name. Here, we're creating a KPI for opportunity count with a lead source set to web. You can add a description if you'd like, though it's optional. Set the start and end dates. Add tags if relevant. This is also optional. Next, we move on to setting a target. It's important to note that this target is considered only when the KPI is displayed on the hub page. If this KPI is used in a scorecard, contest, or OKR, you'll need to set a separate target during the creation of that scorecard, contest, or OKR. You have 3 target options: no target, timeframe based, and same target, no target. This option means the KPI will not have a target. Timeframe based. Here, you can set a specific target for each month, quarter, or year. First, select a timeframe field in the right panel, and then choose timeframe for your target. Click the icon beside it to open a pop-up and set monthly targets if required. Same target. This option lets you define a single target value that applies across all periods. For this example, we'll use same target and enter 50 as the target value. In the right panel of the Create KPI page, there are 2 toggle buttons: Advanced KPI and Background Processing. We'll cover these in separate videos. Now let's move to setting up metric details for the KPI. Here are the steps. Choose the object for this KPI. You'll see all available objects in your organization, such as event, lead, and opportunity. For this KPI, select Opportunity. Choose from functions like count, sum, min, max, average, or count distinct. We'll select count based on our KPI's needs. Aggregate field. This field is not required for count, but it is needed if using sum or average. Time frame. Choose a period for setting targets: monthly, quarterly, or annually. Here, we'll select monthly. Time frame date. Choose from options like created date, close date, last modified, and more. For this KPI, we'll select created date, which will count opportunities created within the KPI's start and end dates. Next, we need to enter filter information. Click on the filter icon beside this field and a pop-up will appear. Here, set the filter condition. Options include all conditions are met, any condition is met, custom logic, and no filter. For our KPI, select all conditions are met. To learn more about filter conditions, please check the filter conditions video. For each filter, specify a field lookup, operator, and value. First, select amount as the field lookup, greater than as the operator, and 500 as the value. To add another filter, click the plus button at the end of the row. Select lead source as the field lookup, equals as the operator, and web as the value. This setup will count only opportunities with a lead source of web and an amount greater than 500. Once you're done, preview the result by clicking the preview button. If everything looks good, first click Save to save the filter settings. Then return to the Create KPI screen and click Save and Activate to finalize and activate this KPI. Now let's move to the hub page to see how to pin this KPI. In the right panel of the hub page, locate the KPI section where you'll find a pin icon next to the plus button. Click on it to open a pop-up listing all available KPIs. In the right panel of this pop-up, you'll also see any KPIs that are already pinned. To pin a KPI, type the KPI name in the search bar, and in the action column, click the plus button to pin it. You'll see the KPI added to the right panel of the pop-up. Once it's added, close the pop-up and return to the hub page to see the KPI and its values displayed. Thanks for watching. To learn more about KPIs, be sure to check out our videos on advanced KPI and background processing KPI.